Are you still doing manual laptop setting in your company? And you confused between Microsoft Intune, SCCM, Autopilot, compliance policy, conditional access policy, and MDM? Then listen very carefully. In 2026, every organization are trying to find IT professionals who manage their resources remotely. Yes, I'm talking about with the help of Microsoft Intune. Microsoft Intune is the most powerful platform that allow us to control and manage our on-premises resources like laptop, desktop, Active Directory, server, and any kind of application that you are going to host from Microsoft 365 portal. Hello everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor and founder of Teach Me Cloud. I have total 17 plus years of experience in IT industry. I did multiple projects for multiple multinational organizations. I'm going to introduce my new batch that I'm planning to start from 7th of June. This is core related to the Microsoft Intune and device management. In the entire course, we are going to talk everything related to the real issues of device management. This is not just a PPT based class. I'm going to use my own premium license for Microsoft 365, Microsoft Intune, and with the help of licenses, we are going to enroll our on-premises physical devices based on different operating system like Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, Chrome. I'll show you each and every steps how we can enroll different operating system based laptop or desktop over a Microsoft Intune. There are lots of services and features are available over a portal. Once you enroll your device, it means that you can control and manage everything. Let's take an example. Earlier, we are able to control and manage our on-premises resources with the help of SCCM server. And to set up SCCM, which is very difficult, need a high configuration based machine. Your SCCM server must be connected with Active Directory domain services. You need to take care of the DNS and also connectivity between the SCCM server and domain controller. Lots of issues, right? Microsoft designed Microsoft Intune portal with all features of SCCM. If you want to manage patching or installing operating system to our bare metal machines by using remote method, then must need to know about the features of Microsoft Intune. Microsoft already decided to discontinue the SCCM because they are planning to move all the feature of SCCM over a Microsoft Intune. That's the reason Microsoft Intune or MD102 is really important for every IT professionals who are still working as a system administrator, desktop support engineer, Office 365 engineer, or fresher who trying to make a career as a cloud engineer. This course is applicable for all the profiles. No matter your current experience is as a backup, you are working as a on-premises ADDS engineer, Active Directory engineer, your responsibility to take care the all network resources and taking care the internet and local area network. Now these all are considered as a legacy kind of technology, and definitely these technology will not help you to grow in terms of salary increment, in terms of switching your job from one organization to another organization. That's the reason try to understand the requirement of a current market, IT market, and according to the market requirement, you need to update yourself. In entire training, in this instructor-led training, what are the points that we are going to cover? We are going to discuss everything related to the Microsoft Blueprint. We are going to perform the task of, we are going to understand about the architecture of Intune, how Intune can work in the real environment. We will talk about all the types of device enrollment, compliance policy, conditional access policy, autopilot enrollment, how to deploy GPO with the help of Intune portal to our on-premises resources. We'll talk about the BYOD and bulk enrollment method, patching, execute PowerShell script from Microsoft Intune portal to your on-premises. This is complete instructor-led training and that will help you a lot. And trust me, this course will help you to boost your career minimum 5x. The total program is designed for 2 months. We are going to start weekend classes 2 hours Saturday and Sunday. If you really want to make your career, if you really want to secure your job, do enroll. Limited seats are available because I have already enrolled 10 IT professionals in this batch. Only few seats are remaining. Do enroll and let we are going to connect in our live class. And I'm ready to solve your existing query. I'm ready to help you in case of troubleshoot the real issues that you are currently facing. This is complete practical based training. Do enroll and let's connect in our live classes. Thank you everyone. Take care, and we are going to connect in our live training.